All right, so this video is going to show you how easy it is to get started working with an Ingenii. So to log in, there's a few different options that you can log in with. I'm going to go ahead and log in with Azure AD. If it's your first time working with Ingenii, you'll need to enter your organization name. So I'll go ahead and put it in Ingenii. We also ask for notification emails and just to confirm your contact email. The platform name, we'll go ahead and just put in Ingenii Data Platform. All right, so setting the credentials. So this generally comes from your data engineering or your infrastructure team. And this is the trust relationship with Microsoft. So everything that we deploy as part of Ingenii is deployed in the client's cloud environment. So nothing is owned or hosted by Ingenii. So you keep the keys, you have the control of your environment. So this is just creating that trust relationship. Given this is a demo, I'm just gonna go ahead and surpass this, go ahead and test it and move along. But you would generally pre-populate those fields. And then configuring the architecture, you choose your region for which region you want to deploy in. You can also set your roles across the different environments. For best practice, we deploy this environment across four environments: the dev, staging, production, and shared. So you can actually choose who is allowed to access what and set your networking configuration as well. So we're going to go ahead and validate that and hit deploy. Now this takes you straight to the dashboard. This is a demo in real-time production. This usually takes about 15 to 17 minutes to deploy. But to give you an idea of the speed of that, this is about 9 months of consulting work, custom consulting work. So us packaging this platform up as infrastructure as code has given a rapid click deployment so that everything is immediately deployed and ready for use, as you can see here. So what we've done as part of this dashboard is we have all these tiles that are pulling together all the relevant services that you need. And over the evolution of Ingenii, these tiles will go away and we'll start embedding the functionality into the application itself. But for now, we wanted to consolidate all the tooling and make sure you had a streamlined interface. So as an example, the ETL, the extract, transform, load, will take you to Azure Data Factory where you can manage pipelines. DevOps will take you to Azure DevOps. Exploring your data will take you to Storage Explorer. And then the analytics and engineering workspaces are connected to Databricks. And the engineering workspace is geared towards cleaning the data, prepping the data, getting it ready for analysis. And then the analytics workspace is really for the analysts to get in and start working and pulling out those insights. So what we're going to be adding as part of the scale of this is we're going to be moving the ETL into the menu here on the left-hand side. So you'll actually see pipelines available here where you can actually start editing the pipelines here within the Ingenii app. And then we'll also be adding data sources. So you can connect both third-party sources as well as existing data sources that you have. You might be in S3, you might have Azure Blob already set up, so you can connect to those existing data sources as well. So that's going to be a future feature. One of the features that we have started rolling in now is replacing the workspaces, and we have actually done this by using Jupyter Hub, which is an open source tool. And the main reason we chose that is it's highly customizable and it is also very extendable. So we can build on top of it. We can add a lot of value on top and integrate our quantum abstraction layer, which is really exciting. And that's really, the acceleration and the big value that Ingenii is looking to bring as part of this platform. So this is launching a Jupyter notebook. This is very familiar to data scientists. We tried to keep with the same tooling, that data scientists are familiar with. So we're not taking you too far out of your workflow. But through this notebook, we will be opening up the quantum abstraction. So you'll be able to basically run quantum algorithms using Python through this view. So that's the high level of Ingenii. That's where we've gotten so far. And I will look forward to continuing rolling out these videos and showing you the new features as they come live. But yeah, that's what we have so far.